Are you struggling with streaming to zero people? You don't know how to stay talking or active? Just follow these tips and it'll help you out. Number one, you're playing a game like Call of Duty. Explain why you're doing what you're doing. This is how I started. I started as a Call of Duty streamer. You know, why would you go this way instead of that way? Just vocalize it. Oh, I'm taking this left route because I heard some nades on the right route and I wanted to try and sneak behind them. Just as you're doing it, you're thinking what you want to do. So just vocalize it. Easiest way to keep talking right there. Vocalizing what you're doing. Same thing if you play like a card game. Or actually, let's do chess, because chess and TFT, I guess, could go the same thing. You always want to be thinking ahead. So you're thinking, what could my opponent be planning? There you go. Vocalize that. You're thinking it, so project it so people can hear you. Number two, just turn that viewer count off. You don't need to know how many people are in there. It could be a deterrent because you might stream to like 3 or 4 people, and then some days it might just say 0. Then you might feel like you don't need to talk. And there are some times where you don't need to talk. Like if you're playing a game and it's a storyline, you don't have to read it. I mean, you can if you want to, but if you feel like you're already talking a lot, you can just let the story play out. And number 3, just keep interacting. If you think you're in a dead spot, even if there's nobody in your chat, which you shouldn't know because you have 0 viewer or you have it hidden, just once in a while say, hey, how's your day going? Doesn't matter if anybody's in there or not. And if someone is in there, they'll think, hey, you're talking to you. Let's respond. I know this was short and sweet, but just follow those tips. It helped me out a lot. I think it'll help you out too. Be sure to like and subscribe and check back later. Peace.
Now I'm done with all your shit. All you wanted was my bread. Got me messed up in the head, so I swear to you